Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from a cash buyer offer with Orchard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from a cash buyer offer with Orchard, start by logging into your Orchard account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your current offers. Select the specific cash buyer offer you wish to withdraw funds from. Review the details of the offer to ensure it is the correct one. Locate the withdraw funds option on the offer page. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. You may be prompted to confirm your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account if needed. Decide on the amount you wish to withdraw from the cash buyer offer. Enter the withdrawal amount in the designated field. Choose your preferred method for receiving the funds. This may include a bank transfer or an alternative payment option available. Review the withdrawal details carefully for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your request is being processed. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. Funds will typically take a few business days to appear in your chosen account. If you encounter any issues, consult Orchard's support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.